Check them out, y'all. Just tag this one right now. Oh, dude, that's a nice one. Oh, oh, I just fell. Oh my God. No, sir. All right. Now I gotta figure out where's my footing. Man. I don't know how I'm gonna get this one in. Oh man. Booyah. Oh snap. Check them out. That's another nice one. Right there at the top of the mouth. Perfect. Here we go. Check it out, y'all. Nice fatty. That's a nice chunk. Alright. Let me see how I'm gonna do this without falling in. Ah! There's a. Oh, I got the hook in me. That's what that was. I was like, wait, what did I just get stabbed by? Alright, I gotta hurry up and try to get it back in. Man, y'all, that's a nice one. Alright, bud. See ya. Ooh-wee. Now I gotta figure out how to get back up there. Oh, man. Alright, y'all. That was a nice one. God dang. And then I fell. Alright, stay tuned, y'all. I'm gonna try to get back up and see what I can get for y'all. Check it out, y'all. Just got another one on. Oh yeah. Ooh. There we go. There we go. This is a nice one. The other one was bigger though. We're getting them today. Alright, let's get them back in. While they're still good and hot. I don't want to chuck them on that rock. Man, dude, I love fishing. It's awesome. Alright, let's get them. Go. Ooh, barely made it. There we go. Alright, y'all. That's already 2 for the day. Almost back-to-back cast. Almost. Where am I at? Oh. I'm using this bait today. I forgot what it was called. Man. Has like purple, black, and gold flakes in there. It's slaying them so far. I caught that one like right there. Right there on that edge is where he was. See if I can get another one. Dude, that was nice. I'm gonna go try it down over there in a little bit. If it stops right here, I'm gonna go over there. I may try over here too, I don't know yet. I don't ever fish right there in that area, but I'll give it a shot. You never know, right? Nothing. Alright, y'all. Stay tuned. Oh my God. First cast. Throwing it right back after trying to get that gar hooked up with this bass. Nice, right there on top of the nose. Ooh, man. Look at that. Something got him. What happened right there? Was it that gar? That gar swipe at you? It looked like he swiped at him. Wham! Let's get you back in before that gar starts. Oh, look at that gar right there. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's right there. Oh no. Oh no, where'd he go? Where is he? Where is he? Oh my god. Alright, y'all. Stay tuned. Oh my gosh. Where is he, dude? Dang. Dude, that was freaking monster. Alright, y'all. Oh man. That's crazy. I can't believe it still. Dude. Alright, I'm gonna try to see if he can show himself again. Got him. I bet you that's the one that's been messing with me over there. Are you? You're the one that's been messing with me? Look at that. Yeah, you didn't even have it in your mouth. And I let you play with it. You got any other hook sets on you? Nope. Just a little toad. A little chode. Alright, go back in there. Tell the homies what's up. I got that good food. It's fake, but you get to see the outside world. Let me try it again then, since I don't think that was him. I don't think so. I'll give it another shot though. That must have been him. I don't feel nothing playing with it no more. Where's that gar though? Oh my god. That's what I want to catch. I need to come out here with some cut shad and some mullet or something. Catch that big kahuna. That's what I want. Big old gar. See if I can get something else. Hopefully. No way. Check it out, y'all. This is what I hooked. Dude, he's probably dead now. I went right through the eye to the head, dude. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't think he's a... Oh, snap. Oh, now I gotta go back down. He was faking it. Dang. Why you gotta do me like that, bluegill? I don't know how I catch a damn bluegill though. But it happened. Come on. There we go. Boom, he's gone. Alright, y'all. I don't know how to caught a bluegill with this though. That's wild. Alright, y'all. Stay tuned. I'm gonna try to get that gar though. Got him. Come here, boy. We here, boy. Booyah. I knew I felt something hitting it. What was that? It's a little ding. I'll take it. I want that freaking gar though, but I'll take these bass though. Look at that. He's been feeding. He got a little belly on him. You got a little belly on him. Hey, what you got in there? You got something in there. It's like a crawfish claw or something. Adios. There he goes. That's awesome, dude. Where's that big gar? I want that big old gar. I waited to set hook on that bass right there because I thought it was the little bluegill or some fish messing with me. Nope. He started taking it and running off. I was like, hold up. Wait a minute. Let's see what we can get. Come on, yo. Dude, I need some more money. I want to go to Galveston. I'm broke. I'm broke like a mug. Come on, Bass, where you at? Wait, hey. That's not a Bass. Where's that big old guard, man? Haven't seen him maybe like 5-6 minutes already. You're gone, man. Hopefully he comes back. Dude, as soon as I threw it out there, he hit it. Nice. Nice chunky fish. Ooh. Ooh wee. Let him get tired. Ooh. That's what I'm talking about. Just got him. Get him. Hey. Come here, boy. Oh. Just got him. Get him. Bam. Ooh. That's a nice one. Bam. Chunky monkey. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, snap. You're trying to go already. Hold on. Let me get a quick picture. Then I'll let you go free. Bam. Turn this around. 1, 2, 3. Whew. Let's let him go. Oh, there you go. You got it. There we go. She's gone. Beautiful, dude. There she goes. Out. That's beautiful. Whew. That's awesome, dude. Let me try to get another one. It's almost time to go, man. I've been slaying today. I'm glad I came out, dude. I've been slaying so far. I ain't catch that big old guard like I wanted, but hey, catching these bass, dude, that's freaking awesome. Alright, y'all, stay tuned. I'm gonna try to get some more for y'all. Got him. I had a feeling something was on it. Oh, you know, you're bleeding. Stop. Let's get this out of you. Ooh. Let's get you back in, bud. Whoa, that one was full of hype. Dang. The hype was real with that one. Dude, that's what I'm talking about. Getting some nice fishing in before work. I don't like going to work. I wish I could make fishing my work. One day I'll be able to make fishing my job. I'm gonna be slaying. Oh, like that. Slaying like that. Like that, boy. Hey. Oh, snaps. Oh, snap. Oh, man, I think this is that big old gar, y'all. Oh, snaps. Oh, my God. Yo. Oh, no. No, what happened? Oh, he got off. Dude, I bet you that was that big gar. Oh, my God. Look. You can see him tearing up the ground still. Dude, no way. No freaking way. Ah. Dude, that was awesome, y'all. I'm glad I was able to get that on camera. Either way, I didn't catch him, bring him in, but y'all seen that, dude. I had him. That was awesome. That's crazy, man. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. Dude, that was him. I promise it was. Oh man. All right, y'all. Try to stay tuned. Hey, come over here. Nice. Booyah. Man, barely on there too. Nice. Another nice chunk. Dude, oh, I want that gar so bad back. Dude, I had him on. I hope I got him on camera for y'all when I caught him. Cause that mug was huge. Man, I couldn't believe it. Alright, man. Boom, he's gone. Just like that. Oh, that gar. I'm sad. I can't be mad though. Caught all these freaking bass today. I'm freaking hyped for that. But oh my gosh, that freaking gar was, dude, it was this fat and has to be like that freaking long, dude. It has to. Oh well. Next time though, for sure, man. Next time. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and end it just in case I don't get to finish. But hopefully y'all like the footage for today. Hit that thumbs up button if y'all enjoyed it. Oh man, I think I'm wrapped up on my crank. No, I'm not. Hit that like. Oh man, where was I? Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And man, I'm gonna try to look back on the footage again and see if I can see that gar on the line. But it had to be it, dude. It had to. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Leave me a comment letting me know what y'all think. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching, everybody.